We got a brand new F-250 Lariat Super Duty. Got the nice new blue color. Check out the interior. Got the big refresh screen, nice leather seating. The best thing that we did here was the cover for the back. This is the UnderCover Armor Flex, hard folding cover, full bed space. You can lock it here so the back window isn't blocked. It's got clips in the back. Each panel locks on the rail system. So when you flip the last one, close both sides up and lock your tailgate. Right here, it's all secure. There's no room to fold it open from here. You get a nice Line-X finish on each panel, so it's scratch and dent resistant. Visit Truck Access Plus for hard folding cover options. We do many other styles for your truck. Call us today, visit our website, truckaccessplus.com, or visit our location in Phoenix for same-day installation.